So today guys I will show you how to erase all kinds of dirt from your favorite pictures on iPhone. So to make this you're gonna need this app called Pitchy. You will open up that app, go to a gallery, search for your favorite picture. For example, I personally like to erase these spots on the ground. If then I don't like them very much, I find here remover tool, go here, zoom in, and for free you can use this free kind of version. You select the area and this is how it will get deleted. And you choose razor to bring it all back. For example, we're bringing it all back, and then we select brush again. You can brush again if you do not like the result. Then try to make it more something. Just try to select small areas so it won't completely delete all areas, like this one. Nope. Oh, this kind of stuff too. Nope. Well, now it's a little bit better. A little bit better. Nope. And it will look like this one. Now you can click OK and then save this photo. That's it. Thank you. Bye.